Today's recipe is mutton curry, my favorite. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nancy Morgan from Flavorsomefeast, and through this channel I share simple and easy recipes for everyone, especially for beginners and people with time constraint. Today I'm making mutton curry because mutton is my favorite, all-time favorite. I would love to have you all on board on this channel, so request you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Let's see how to make it. Simple, and if you didn't, please comment below and let me know what I could have done better, or if you have any suggestions for my videos. So that's it for today guys. Have fun, stay blessed, take care, bye.